How about a tartar sauce that's not your ordinary everyday tartar sauce? One with some smokiness and a little bit of spice? One for fish tacos, a fish sandwich, or maybe even fish sticks? Then get ready, this tartar sauce recipe, it's for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a spicy sauce for fish. Yes, a Chipotle tartar sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Grab a mixing bowl. We'll work with the mayonnaise first. Half of a cup, 125 milliliters. To give this tartar sauce a smoky touch of heat, some diced chipotle peppers in their sauce, 1 tablespoon or roughly about 22 grams. The chipotles add so much flavor, it's a really perfect sauce for fish tacos. Now it's time to add some dill pickle relish, 1/4 of a cup or 60 grams. And next add 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Add the zest of 1 lime to the tartar sauce. To polish off this chipotle tartar sauce, add the juice of half of a lime, that's about 1 teaspoon. And then check out this lemon press. It works great for limes as well. It's easy to use, and above that, it's easy to clean. And that's the final ingredient for this chipotle tartar sauce. Give everything a little bit of a mix, and you can either use it on the spot or throw it in the fridge. Let it marry those flavors. Next day, bring it out, throw it on a fish taco, a fish sandwich, or dip those fish sticks in it. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Do you have a favorite tartar sauce? Do you like it savory? Do you like it sweet? Do you like it spicy? Let me know.